Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Let's take a look at this 1969 Chevy Nova, everybody. Very nice Nova, Yanko clone, Southern car, real clean underneath it. I mean, just beautiful stance. Let's take a look. It's got a 383 4-barrel, 425 horsepower with a TH350 automatic trans. Matched up with power disc brakes, power steering. Suspension's been totally rebuilt with Flowmaster Dual exhaust system. Rally wheels, good tires, real nice detailed engine compartment with a 10-bolt rear end with a 373 gear. Chrome, glass, good shape. We'll go through it. I'll do a little walk around. Let's take a look at this thing. Now let's get up and close to it and see what we've got here for everybody. Chrome's in good shape. Could use a good little polish down the road, but you can see right here, a little bit pitting, but not bad. Grill's in good shape. Emblems are great. Bottom chrome is good. Hood in great condition. Lines up great all the way through. Wipers are on the car. Marker lights are good. Wheels and tires, great shape. Paint's in good shape. It lays out good. It's got a great reflection to it. Glass is good. Chrome around there is good. Mirror's in good shape. It's got the vent window here. Really nice to have. Chrome around there is good. All the way down in. Just set up nicely. Tire in the back's good. All your decals, Yanko set up really clean. See that reflection? Really nice. Rear bumper, chrome. Little bit of pitting, nothing major, but probably is going to need to be re-chromed down the road. Great driver quality. Drives out wonderful. Stops the way it should. Lines up good in the back. Chrome around the windshield. Good shape all the way through. All the way in here. Roof's in good shape. Glass is good. Chrome around the passenger side is good. Got the antenna on there. No paint flaws. Basically just a little bit in the chrome all the way through. So now let's check out the interior. All your seat belts are there. Rear deck lid. Dome lights working. Little sag here. Aftermarket gauges, B&M shifter. Real clean inside. Carpets are all intact. Just really clean. All right, let's see how this thing sounds. Let's go over some of the things that are in here. Turn signals are working. Headlights are working. Brakes lights are working. Wipers are working. Radio seems to be an app. Heater is working. It does not have air conditioning. The horn is working. All the fluids have been checked. Let's hear this thing. RPM gauge. Aftermarket gauges are working. Like I said before, you got a B&M shifter. What a nice sound. Trunk is clean, fresh. It's a nice 1969 Yenko Clone 383 Nova. Nice thing is, financing clients anywhere between 625 and 739 credit score. Nice and clean inside. Well done. Aluminum radiator. Now, financing is available. Clients between a 625 to a 739 credit score require 10% down payment. Fill out the credit app online at mgmclassiccards.com. Credit score 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com for an easy approval. All applicants approved on based of their credit history. We've got over 150 classic cars in stock, all online with 100 photos, video, and full description. Delivery right to your door, bonded and insured. You could text me or call me at 773-600-0919, and I could get you a quote on what it would cost you. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel at MGM Classic Cars and like us on Facebook. We are located in Addison, Illinois at 150 South Church Street. Open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 to 1, all by appointment only. So like I said, give us a call, 773-600-0919. I'm Earl. Have a great day. Thank you.